Team Fullest. For those of you who have been following me for a very long time, knows that I always cut my hair. I'm always up to something with my hair, and I always love to experiment with my hair and making different type of DIY oil. And I use my oil on my own hair. I use it on my kids' hair. I also let my family use my oil just to experiment. My hair is quite long. This is my natural hair. My hair can grow long and thick, but I like to cut it to experiment. So this is my daughter hair. I was using different type of oil. This is the her hair before ever I cut it off. Reasons why my wife was really mad at me when I cut this hair off. But the hair is growing. I DIY oil, and I was using, and her hair was growing so thick. So I was like, you know what? I have another oil idea that I'm working on, but I don't know if the oil will work because her hair is already growing so fast with the previous oil that I was working. Then this crazy idea came into my head, and I was like, it's time to cut her hair and try again. So this is what her hair was looking like. And her hair is all natural. This is all natural. Her hair was looking really beautiful. For me, when it comes to using my product, it's all about consistency. That's also one thing I told my family when I gave them the oil. I'm like, consistency, use it. So this was when I did a big chop. So this is where we are starting from, and we did a big chop, and I was like, okay, let's go again with the DIY. You guys see those oils in those baskets? Those are the oil that I'm working on. And this is what her hair is looking like right now after a couple of months, almost a year now. And so I stretch the hair out. I don't use heat on the kid's hair. I just stretch it out because I was about to do a protective hairstyle for her. But this is what the hair is looking like. I'm so happy, and I can't wait to experiment more with the oils.